Okay, so let's go. So look at the set revision. So we're going to look at a few questions to just remind you of this from the last time. Getting better grades in the worksheet and test assignments. You watch the videos and make your notes. Use the exercises in the textbook. Sorry, the textbook rather, to practice. Then you do the questions on the worksheets. All right. Okay, so we'll look at our first question. Of course, this is a past paper question. All right. Hope you have a pen and paper with you. You have it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So write all the question quickly.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Now the first thing that you need to do whenever you're going to approach an exam question. Now the exam itself is 160 minutes long. So you have 10 questions of which to answer in 2 hours and 40 minutes. All right, 160 minutes long. That means then you must not spend more than 10 minutes per question and one question. And note that an exam question is not just A alone, you have at least three parts. You have A, B, and C. That is what constitutes one question. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now your first step now is to get yourself familiar with the information given to use in order to reply to the questions given or statements or commands given rather. Good.
Okay.
Now let's look at the first question. Can you read it for me, please? Read it for me, please.
Okay. The universal set U is defined as
Uh-huh.
U 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
Good.
A and B are subsets of U.
All right.
Such
Stop right there. All the time. What? Give it a keyword that you wanted a keyword. Give it a keyword that you must pay attention to so far.
few words.
Keyword. You wanted a
Keyword.
keyword? Yeah, keyword, yes. Subsets, right? Subsets? Eh? Good. No, because note that a subset is what you must remember that word there. Good.
Mm-hmm.
A and B are subsets of what? U. Remember that.
Yes.
All right. Now, continue reading now.
Okay. Such that A equal odd numbers, B equal prime numbers.
All right. You should have read it like this, such that A, the set, the set A is equal the set of odd numbers. Set B is equal the set of prime numbers. So you read it properly. Is that clear? Because remember, the braces means what? The set of. True?
Okay.
All right. Now, do you know what are odd numbers?
Odd numbers. Sir, yeah, record this term remember.
All right. Odd numbers then are numbers that cannot be divided equally by two.
By
Two.
two.
Yes.
Right.
So it's not wrong if you don't remember. You can look it up.
Sir, me just know how to explain it out, sir.
Okay, then no problem. All right. So you're going to have, say, three is an odd number, five is an odd number,
Seven,
seven, yes. Give me a next one.
9.
Good. So what you need to do? The first step you need to do now, because we're still familiarizing ourselves with the information given. So what you would need to do is identify the odd numbers given in the universal set. So tell me, what are some of the odd numbers given in the universal set?
Like 51,
Yes.
53, 55, 57, 59.
Very good. So you see, before you even start write down anything, you have to make sure that you are acquainted with the information given. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. And I said you have to practice that, right? What are the prime numbers now in the universal set given? Remember what prime numbers are? Huh? You don't remember?
Uh-uh.
All right. So we're going to look it up now, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have your cell phone on the don't
Yep.
you can Google it, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, so Google it then, no? Define the definition. Or you want me
Prime
to?
number is a natural number greater than 1. Greater, greater than 1 that has no positive divisor other than 1 on itself.
Other than one and itself. You understand what that means? All right, let me give you a different definition. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Give you a better definition. All right. So make note of this now, you know. Prime numbers are a prime number, put that differently. A prime number is a number that is divisible, divisible only by one, sorry, but only by itself and one. All right. So I'm going to ask you now. identifies the numbers in the universal set which are divisible by itself by 1.
Christ Almighty!
Ready now? Don't worry yourself. I mute that a while ago. I just muted that a while ago, so don't have to worry yourself. All right. Now, if you have to make an outburst again, all you have to do is to mute the mic. Okay? You hear me?
Sir, what is it now?
Now I'm saying if you have to make an outburst like that again, all you have to do is to mute the mic. That's all right. That's okay. Come, that's okay. All right. No, so a
Sir.
prime number is a number that is divisible only by itself on 1. So you're now going to tell me now. Give me the prime numbers that are listed there in the universal set.
51.
Yes.
Um, sir, I'm sure.
All right. 53. Uh, 57. I think 59. You can one of the quickest way is to divide 51 by 3. Divide 51 by 3 and tell me how much you get. Once you get a remainder, then you know it's a prime number. Hmm. 51 is not. 51 is
Sir,
not a prime
wait,
number. 51 is not a
55 is not
prime.
a prime number.
No.
Man, this song, Aliyah, just leave me alone, no man.
Yeah. 51 is not a prime number here.
Sir, and why you say is that so?
Why is 51 not a prime number?
One you say is not a prime number.
Yeah, 51 is not a prime number. You hear? You hear me?
Sir, pause the recording.
Okay. Okay, so 51 is not a prime number. Reason being, 51 can be divided by 1. It can be divided by itself, and it can also be divided by 3. So once you go over 1 and itself, it simply means that it's a prime number. You get that? You follow? Now I hear you now. I'm not hearing it. Check if you mute the thing. Alright. You hear me now?
Not hear but me not music, you not hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you, but it's not so loud. Alright, let's go. Alright. So 51 is not. Let's try 53. So you can divide 53 by 3 and see if you'll get. You have to
What, sir?
divide 53 by 3 and see how much you get.
Divide 53 by 3.
By 3, yes. So you have to test them to make sure that they are not prime numbers, or they are prime numbers. So it's not though. 53 is not a prime number. Sorry, it is a prime number, but not 51. So 53 is one of the prime numbers. Make note of that. Let's test 55 now. Well, obviously it's not because you can divide it by 5, 51. Sorry, 5 and 55 and 1. So it is not a prime number. Let's try 57. Let's divide it by 3, so much you get. Sorry. 19. No. 57 is not a prime number either. What about 59?
So 59, 99.
Eh? What about 59? Is it a prime number?
Yes, it's a prime number.
No, it's not a prime number either. Alright, yeah, really. The trick is that, if you divide the first number by 1, 2, and 3, right? You can stop at 3. When you divide 51 by 3, you get 17. So 51 can be divided by 1 itself and 3 and 17 as well. So it is not a prime number. It doesn't match the definition right here. 53 is not a prime number either. 53 is also not a prime number. So let us underline our prime numbers so far that we identify. So we have 51. Sorry, no, not 51. We have 53. This is a prime number actually. 53, I meant a prime number. What about 57? Did you say 57 is one? Yes. 57 is not a prime number either. Why is it not a prime number? Because it can be divided by 1 itself and 3 and also 19. So it doesn't match the definition. You get that? You follow that?
Okay.
Good. All right. So we have 53 as a prime number. 58 is not a it is not a prime number because it can be divisible by 2. All right. And 59, let's test it out again. 59 divided by 3, no. Can divide by 9 as well, no. So two prime numbers then are 53 and 59. You get that?
Okay.
All right. Notice what just happened. Just by trying to get ourselves familiar with the information used, we have basically answered part 1 and 2 already. You realize that? You get that? You see that? Talk to me now.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. All right. Now, you're going to tell me the answer now. How I should write this. List the members of set A. Tell me how I should write the answer. How should I write the answer? One mark, You just do it a while ago, but you can't just list them so. When you're listing elements in a set, what's the first thing you do? What are you going to write? Tell me the first thing to write.
What's the what, sir?
When you're listing elements in a set, what's the first thing you need to do? That was lesson number 1.
So I have to use the set notation.
Yes, so tell me what to type now.
The set members of set A. So, and
No, it's not number for no. You have to write the name of the set first, which is A. Then what next?
um, I put brace
Good. Then we're going to list them now.
the 51, the 51,
51.
53,
Mm-hmm. 50 what next?
53,
Mm-hmm. What next?
5,
What next?
57, and 59.
And 59.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then
Press,
close it. Good.
press
All right. What about part
59
two now?
of set A. So B equal
Mm-hmm.
brace 53,
Mm-hmm.
comma 59. Brace.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I want you to take a very good look at both answers and tell me what you notice.
Notice, I
Mm-hmm.
know that step B
Yeah.
is what you call it again? U union union sir? A union sir?
No.
Set B intersect no sorry set B is a subset of set A, sorry.
Yes, you must see the smile on my face. Very good. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, yeah, my girl. You're not even practiced yet, but then you remember that. So that's why more you doing the exam. And we have to be observant. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes sir.
Because if you want you able to recognize this, then it makes drawing the diagram become much what? Easier.
Much easier.
Make sense?
Yes sir.
Alright, so we're gonna draw the diagram now. You're gonna tell me how to draw the diagram, you know.
Okay sir.
Mm-hmm. So we draw the rectangle, what next?
So I'm gonna see it all right, we draw the rectangle. You draw you draw two circles, one inside one.
One inside one. Very good. We could do that properly because the space not going to benefit us right here. So what I do is at the top right just right? Let's move the definition first. Alright, so here's our rectangle. And then now they said draw two circles, one inside and one. Let's draw the small circle first.
Mm-hmm.
So we put in the thing and then draw the big circle. What's going on here? Um,
Ash.
so a big circle right there. So now we're going to put in the information, right? We can
Uh-huh.
let's label the circle M first. Why not? So set A, the bigger one,
Step B, small one.
smaller one. Well done. Well done. So now we're going to put in the contents now. So what element must go in B now?
Okay. 53 and 59.
Well done. So what going? What this need to fix up, right? So what going to set A now?
Um, 51, 53. Sorry, no 53 because 53 is already shared.
Good. So 51.
51,
Mm-hmm.
55,
55.
mm-hmm, and 57.
55 and 57.
Mm-hmm.
God answer our prayers tonight. And then 57, right?
Yes.
Alright. So what's next? You finish yet? Then I hear you, no? Not hearing you.
Sir, 54, 56, and 58 must go in the
50 what?
52,
Mm-hmm.
54,
Mm-hmm.
56, and 58 must be in the pressure set in the outside
Okay.
A.
Very good. And 54.
Yes, 56 and 58.
Amazing life. Well done. That's how easy to get your 3 marks and
Mhm.
5 marks in that. Easy. See?
Yes, sir.
Alright, and of course you must put the name of the Venn diagram. You put the U.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Alright, so you want to write the answers them down and decide it? I want.
No, sir, I can do it.
Okay, wonderful. Alright, I can do it. Alright. So let's move on.
Okay.
Alright. So it's another three. It's another passport question. Write that down quickly, please.
I shall them care focus like this. Yeah, fine. Sometimes I don't know do my some sorry country my time the TV at some minute. I can finish writing.
Okay, great. All right, so let's do the same procedure now. We're gonna familiarize yourself with the questions. You're gonna read now for me, please. Read it for me, please.
Okay, given that U equals the number of students
No, 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 that's not where it starts. It starts right here, so miss.
if if the survey population number was found that A cost penny, X pay volleyball only, 9X can play volleyball. For play tennis, mm, given that U equals um, set of students in the survey, B equals set of students who plays volleyball, T equals set of students who play tennis.
All right. So once again, you have to familiarize yourself with the information. True.
Yes.
All right. Now, when you're given numerical information, you must state what this represents. Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the 36 represents what?
Um, the students in a survey number.
Mm, good. And the number of students. Good. And what set would the student that what set would that represent?
That will represent the universal set.
Universal set. Very good. All right. Now 30 play tennis. What does the 30 there represent?
It represents the set of students who play tennis.
Good. Very good. Well, what about X?
X
Mm,
X play volleyball only.
good. And therefore X don't.
X don't play tennis.
Very good. Good. All right. What about the four? Give me a term in. Give me a term in the set language that they would use to represent to identify those four.
Um, four.
I know you can get it, man. Trust me. You're gonna start up the thing again. Come, tell me.
Um, sorry, I remember that.
All right, I'm gonna give you a hint. It started with the letter C.
Um, that's where I can't remember,
All
sir.
right, complement of a set. See that? Complement of a set.
Right.
My head drop off, right? All right, good. So we're familiar with it now. So this way we must copy and complete the Venn diagram below to show the number of students in the subsets marked Y and Z. Y and Z, right? Not X, but Y and Z. All right. So we're gonna draw now. Ready now? So you're gonna tell me what to draw now. So redraw it to the corner here. Put in it two circle them. All right. Mhm. Now we're going to put in the info. So put up the U. So we're gonna put in name of the sets them now. Next one, T.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're gonna put in the data. Just a minute, please. Alright, let's continue. So when you put the x, 9x, where it's supposed to go? Then we're going to put the y. So we're going to replace the y now. What should we replace the letter y with now? Hmm? Sorry, letter T, I should say, not y. Yeah, letter y, yeah.
So 30 plus 20.
Yeah, but that part where we're going to put the y is what? Look where y is. We'll put 30 right there. You sure we're going to put 30 right there, sir? Hmm? Alright. You got it? Oh, yeah, to calculate something?
First time I've tried to remember.
Oh, you don't have to calculate nothing as yet. Thanks. No idea?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, then I have a note to do, right? Okay. Remember that the 30 represent everything, don't it? In tennis, right?
Mm-hmm.
So tennis only will be the difference between the total number of students who play tennis and those who play both. So then minus whatever intersect both from the total number. Get that? So because you never do the third lesson, that's why I have in this. You never get that get this one going, right? What should I replace Z with? Thanks. What should I replace Z with?
Or should you replace
Z with, yeah.
X?
Z. Look where Z is.
4.
Very good. You know so bad, you know. If you practice using the textbook,
Mm.
you're going to pass this exam easily. Once you be consistent, that is. and be consistent, right?
Yes, sir.
That's 4. All right. So we have done that. Please make note of that, please.
Mm. Yes.
Okay. Let's proceed now. This is the other part of it. Write it down. Finish write it off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It has to do with the x plus the 9x.
Oh, you're going to tell me the answer, right? That's what you're telling me?
Me not, sir, me not really know the full answer.
All right. Read the command that was given. You remember here, no?
Huh? Did me
Read,
hear it?
yeah, part A. Read them here.
But what, sir?
Part A.
Given that you equal students in the survey.
No, man. See question now. In front of you.
Oh, this one, sorry.
Mm.
Write an expression in X represents the total number of students in the survey.
All right, what you understand from that in your own words?
So I understand just what that means. I read it, so I'm gonna put it in my mind.
Yeah, your own words, yeah. Think about it.
So I'm gonna know if I explain that in my mind.
Then try first, no?
I'm trying in my brain. I
If you want.
understand the CDP, but not the omega put it in my own words. I understand it just like that.
Okay. You answer just like that. Mm. Then if you understand it just like that, you can put in your own words.
So what's the right?
Mm. It's a write an expression. What is an expression? I need to write an expression in X. What do I mean by that? Hmm? What do I mean by that? Write an expression in x. What do I mean by that? You tell me them what you think.
Same thing.
You don't have to get it right, you know. Just tell me what you think. Write an expression in x. What do you think? Hmm? Sorry. Let me tell you what that means. You ready? You ready?
Mhm.
What it means is that whatever you write must have x in it. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Okay.
Good. Now, next thing. Notice that they put it in all caps. They are making emphasis that they are telling you must give the total. Now we are going to give the total number of students in the survey. What the word total suggests that you should do?
Supposed to add it up.
Exactly. So you're going to add this to this to this and to this. Let's add them up. You have x plus 9x plus 30 minus 9x
So there's somebody stuck. I never know if I need to write the minus 9.
plus 4. Then you shouldn't tell me what you have in mind. And that's the problem with you students, you know. You not tell the teacher what you have in your mind. The teacher can help you know, determine. Tell me what you have in your mind. That's how it work. I want to know so you think and then I'll help you along the way. Make sense?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going to apply some algebra now. Here the algebra we're going to apply. X plus 9x will give us what? When you add 9x plus 10x plus when you add x to 9x, how much x again?
9x.
9x plus x is how much?
9x
Plus
plus x.
yes.
So,
Well 9x plus 9x is 10x. So we have to do algebra. You can't miss the algebra class them,
9x
okay?
plus 10.
What?
X plus 9x give a 10x.
Of course.
Okay, 9
Can,
plus 9 plus 1 more x give a 10x.
ex,
Okay.
plus one more x. Very good. Plus 30 now minus 9x plus 4. Now we're going to group the like terms again. So 9x and 10x are like terms.
So when we're going to do algebra.
Soon start the class.
Okay. 10x minus
Plus
9.
30 plus 4. So you see we'll go step by step. Now 10x minus 9x to give you how much?
10x 1 x.
Very good. You got to put x by itself, right? And 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4 is how much?
Oh, 34.
34. So your answer then for the question, the expression is
Yes, please.
x plus 34. That's the expression, right? You get that?
Okay.
Mhm. Because whatever value x is now, when you add it to 34, you get the answer, don't it?
Mhm.
Good. So that is what? That's the expression. And you realize that it includes letter x. As it says, write an expression in x includes letter x. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Make sure you write that down. All right. So we're going to our next part of the question. Read for me, please.
Write an equation in X to represent the total number of students in the survey and hence solve for X.
All right. What you think now is we're supposed to do? What's the difference between A and B? What's the similarity between A and B and the difference between A and B? You tell me.
Um, what was the answer? Yeah.
Mhm. Tell me in your mind. No matter which part you're stuck, tell me which part in your mind. Tell me in your mind. No? When I read both A and B, tell me what's the difference between the two and tell me what's the similarity between the two. Hmm. Hmm?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Read both of them and tell me what's the similarity.
What's similar?
Yeah, what
Similarity.
yeah. Are they saying the same thing? Are they asking for the same thing? Is there any difference between A and B?
One is saying write an expression and one is saying write an expression. But what's really the difference between expression and equation? Um,
Hmm. Okay. You must tell me.
I don't know.
Well, make a guess then, no?
I guess.
Mm.
Gosh.
Make a guess.
Write an equation.
Make one guess whether it right or wrong, no problem. Make a guess. Come on, man.
No.
Make one guess. Make a guess. Come. Make a guess. You want me guess for you?
I guess you tell me.
Hmm? Ah, you have the expression already, don't you?
Yes, that's what we just write.
All you gotta do is put back the expression. Like the expression, this part to represent the total number of strings. So up here, you have the similarity. Look on the similarity. Look on it. Okay, I could put in a yellow. So red. See there? And the same thing you said right here, sir. You see similarity? You see it now?
Yeah.
So obviously them similar, you're gonna write down something similar, don't you?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes,
You
sir.
see, you have to use the head enough. You have to use the head. Just the only difference that one have an equal sign, one doesn't have. So what was the total given in the question?
36.
Good. That's the difference. Make sense? Yeah, so you take when you get the textbook and practice now, right? You get the textbook and practice.
Yeah.
When you go into the exam, you shouldn't have no problem. So you have to practice. You follow? You
Mm-hmm.
follow?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so what x equal to? That easy, what x equal to? X equal to um hmm? Tell me what x equal to now?
What x equal to?
Hmm. Look good on the thing. Look good on it. It's in front of you. Primary school math, you know.
Terminal light mount.
I never ask that. I ask what x equal to.
36.
What?
36.
Read the question. Read this. What is it here? Read this for me, please. Read this for me.
X plus 34.
Equal?
36.
Good. So what x would be? Let me tell you, read it. What number? What number plus 34 is equal to 36? That's what it's asking you. What number plus 34 is equal to 36?
2.
Hmm? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
2.
True.
2.
Good. Because oh, you read the question. You follow?
Okay. Eh? My first one did the on the screen.
And then we're going to use a little. When you start the algebra, you shouldn't have no problem, right? You follow?
So I'll do algebra. I usually love algebra, but I don't remember anything about algebra. Algebra used to be one of my favorites.
Eh?
Mm.
Well, now help you today. You're not its favorite now. Cause you not remember it. Cause you lack practice, that's why. And you not understand what you do. But know yourself. From my class, you're gonna have to apply understanding. You make it? Make sense? Hmm?
Okay.
Hmm. Alright. So we're going to proceed now. Ready now?
Yes.
Alright. Now there are some easy parts. There's a multiple choice question. Look for and then tell me what's the correct answer. Huh? Yes, ma'am.
What is it, sir?
Read the question and tell me the correct answer for 12 and for 13.
Independent diagram.
Come on.
Shaded area. Shaded area represents A B complement B union two complement are members of P union two complement P union P complement PQ intersect D complement.
What's the answer you get? Remember, remember, you must try and get yourself familiar. You hear me?
What's that, sir?
Remember, no. Get familiar with the diagram. You follow?
Yeah.
Get familiar with the diagram. What you understand from the diagram? Eh?
It's a universal section.
Look for the diagram good and try to interpret it. Come on, use your brain.
Sorry, I don't want the diagram.
Hmm? For the diagram. Tell me what the diagram saying to you. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. You don't have to think for see now, you can use your eyes to see. Now tell me what you see.
P intersect D.
And what else they say? What else they say? Hmm?
P and Q.
How that go? Hmm? Then what does it say now? Use a P intersect Q. What does it say?
See, there's a universal
Yeah, the universal set is there. And what else do you see?
Um, Shadow and
Hold on there. All that is use your eyes, you know, and look for something. You tell me, say, it's a P intersect. What does it say?
you see the shaded region, but the shaded region is Q,
Yeah.
and the rest of the set.
So, therefore,
Therefore, I'm gonna try to put it down. I don't know how to put it. Um,
just put it on your seat.
P
Yeah.
is so it's not a complement of.
Complement of exactly. In the Venn diagram, the shaded area represents what? All right. Then the shaded area represents P complement. True.
What
True.
sir?
The shaded area
Mm-hmm.
represents P complement, right?
Mm-hmm.
True.
Yes, sir.
Good. So the shaded area represents P complement. Let's think now. They are saying, you know, in the Venn diagram, the shaded area represents what? P complement. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So P complement is the answer. You see? So you have to use you call it again. You have to use
Yes,
your
Q.
eyes first.
What? Uh,
Okay, ma'am? You have to use your eyes first. Make sense?
yes, sir.
Go to the next question.
P P union.
No. You do, number 12 is A, you know. I've done something A already. Number 13, I don't know.
Number 13.
That's what I know.
If X
Uh,
and Y are two finite set,
no, it's finite.
finite. So what is
Mm-hmm.
that? I
Just
so
continue.
huh?
Continue.
If X and Y are two finite, so we need the sum there I pick up inside here. Just pick up in there. If X and Y are two finite sets, such
Mm-hmm.
that n
No, no, no. Read your thing properly, such that what? What does symbol I mean? What does symbol also mean?
um, number of
Yes. So read it properly. Start again.
if X and Y are two finite
Mm-hmm.
sets, such that number of
Yeah.
X.
Number. No, not number of X. Number of elements in X.
Sorry.
Read it again.
If X and Y are two finite sets such that number of elements in X equals 7, number of
Mm-hmm.
elements in Y equals 5.
Mm-hmm.
And me they start study and them just make one organize am in. Me start seminar there me yard. If X and Y are two, so me all have to start me I get confused.
Start over. All right, start over. Continue.
Huh?
Start over. Nah, here you know.
X and Y are two finite sets such that
Mm.
a
Such that.
number of elements in X equals
Mm.
number of elements in Y equals 5 and
Mhm.
number of elements in X intersect Y equals 3.
Mm.
Then number of elements in X union Y is
Okay, try to figure that out now. Mhm. So, see bone, no?
15.
Hmm?
15.
15?
Yeah.
Where you get 15?
Hmm.
Come on, man. Think, man. Think about it. Where you find union? Where do you think I'm gonna do first? Hmm?
That was the first.
Yeah. Relax, man. Let's relax. Come, think about it. All right. Let me assist you. Ready? Are you ready, ma'am?
Mhm.
Now, if you have number of elements in set X is equal to 7, right? Sorry. You will simply add, matter of fact, see formula. This plus number of elements in set Y, then you take it for practice, all right? Minus number of elements in set X intersect Y. Good? And that will give you the answer. Good? That will give you the answer. Follow? Are you me talking now? So let's replace them. 7. Stop concentrate on the noise, man. How much that equal to now? Huh? Nah, here you know. Huh?
B said, number
How much is it equal to? Hear your cough a while ago, so I'm not hear you talk.
9.
Yeah, 9. Good. The answer is 9. Alright, let's move on to our next question. Alright. Um, Alright. Let's see if we get this one correct. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at familiarize yourself with the question now.
So if these are factors of what here?
That's 6. Factors of
6.
6. 6. Number 6. Factors of 6. Alright, what would be the first thing that you do if you're approaching this question?
How would be what, sir?
How would you approach this question? What would be the first thing that you would do?
Let's say find out factors of 6.
Huh?
What approach is
What would you do? Hmm? You know, I thought I can hear you. I thought I can hear you.
so right now let me get uncomfortable with family because I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8, 9, 13. I can't go nowhere else because this computer now.
It's a laptop.
Yeah.
Is Wi-Fi using?
Yeah, but the Wi-Fi is not so strong up here.
Oh. Hmm. All right. All right. So you can concentrate, right?
I can't focus.
Well, you know, you're nice now, so you can continue. You have learned. Then suppose you do the exam when gunshot a fire.
I'm not gonna have all the noise in my ears.
When gunshot a fire, what you done do?
Yeah.
Run on the decks and hide? You stay there. Yeah, come on. Try focus.
Ah. Sir, but look, if P equal to factors of 6,
Hmm.
factors of 6, the whole bar factors of 6.
Mm-mm.
Factors of
Lesson number 1 or I think or 2 show you how to find factors of a number. Didn't I do that? Didn't it? Yeah?
factors of 6.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah. What are the factors of 6 now? Tell me now.
What's it, sir?
What are the factors of 6?
Oh, so never hear me. One,
Yeah.
two,
One what?
one, two, yes.
1, 2, 3, and 6. Good. All right. So factors of 6. 1, 2. That means set P will equal to 1, 2, 3, and 6, right?
Yes.
What are the factors of 4? Talk, come so I can hear you.
Factors are four,
Yeah.
one, two, and four.
1, 2, and 4.
Mm-hmm.
So what the question say now?
If P equal if P equal factors of six and Q equal factors of four, then shaded region represents
Mm.
shaded region represents one and two.
The answer is what?
One and two.
The answer is what?
The answer is one and two.
Don't tell me the letter no? No B?
Yeah.
Mm. All right, not bad.
So this was an easy one.
Eh?
This was an easy one.
It was an easy one?
Yeah.
All right. Ready for this one? Hold on. Hold on there. Let me make sure, sir. All right. There's some more questions right here, sir. Well, I'll make sure that the right place. All right. So we'll go further now. All right. Number 11.
If P equal two, three, five, and seven, Q equal two, three, and six, and S equal to four and five.
Mm-hmm.
Then P intersect Q intersect S equal
You're going to borrowed time now by 2 minutes. So come. You must get me the answer for number 11.
so two, three, and five. C.
C? Yeah, sure.
No.
Look good. What intersect mean? What was the intersect what mean by that?
So a number A
Number A. Okay. Why you say a number A?
because all of them are two.
Exactly. So you jump gonna C.
I don't.
I don't know. C A is the answer. Number 12.
Number 12 is Venn diagram. Number of elements in P equal 5. Number of elements in Q equal 9. And number of elements in P intersect Q equal 10.
Mm-hmm.
What is number of elements in Q? No, that was union. So what is the number of elements in Q intersect P?
Or you get A.
Well, alam mo ba the right question mo gusto sir. Okay. What
Oh.
is N comma 7?
Come up with anything?
Yes, sir.
You come up with anything yet? Huh? Alright. Um, you have to get yourself a textbook, right? So that you can practice and be ready for that test. Okay, ma'am? Hmm? You hear me? Me I hear others, I not hear you, you know.
Answer yes, sir. Answer yes.
Because you not talk to me. Alright. Note to know. You don't add the 5 plus the 9. How much that?
Mm, four.
And then if it's 14 and more than the 10, and the 10 represents everybody, then what will be the intersect?
What?
When you add the 5 and the 9, I get 14, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this 10 represents everybody, don't it? The union, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if it go over the 10, then what would you do to find the intersection? You got subtract. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So you subtract the 10 from the 14, and how much you get? Hmm? Me not hear you, man.
Four.
Okay, then. Alright, so the answer is 4. Alright, number 13, last question. That easy for you. That is the easiest question.
Given diagram. U equals U H equals UNC and V equals students A to the power the number of students then how many students are in one class.
Alright, you move up something?
Okay, sir?
You have a fan in the background or something?
If what?
You have a fan in the background or you're shifting something?
What's that chat, girl?
If you're shifting something because I hear some noise, some little noise.
Yeah, the TV making noise.
On that TV. Alright. Why don't you come up with now? Think. Come on, think, children, think. What don't you come up with? Do not play volleyball.
Yeah, we might play volleyball.
Uh,
This tree down there.
and
And
mm, do not play volleyball.
three students do not play volleyball.
You're sure it's only three?
Gosh, it's 5 and 3 yet.
Exactly. You have to think. Afraid to think, you know. You're afraid to think. Why? Why you afraid to think? Come on, man. Don't be afraid to think, man. You're not gonna eat off head. At least not from here. So don't be afraid, okay? Alright. Um Before you do the test, you will have to practice. I don't want you to do the test and you're not practicing. That is not going to be a benefit to you at all. So